Hi all, welcome to this video of Java core concepts. Today we are going to see a difference between JVM, JRE and JDK. So let's start. Let's understand the difference between JVM, JDK and JRE. The JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. A program's execution is divided into three stages. A Java program is written, compiled and then run. As we can see in the above image, first the JVM language classes are processed by the class loader subsystem, which is responsible for loading, linking and initialization of the Java classes. After being processed by the class loader, the generated files are stored in the JVM memory, which consists of method area, heap, JVM language stacks, PC registers, and native method stacks. The execution engine accesses the files from this JVM memory and makes use of native method interface and native method libraries. A programmer creates a program, the Java compiler, which is primary Java compiler provided in the Java development kit, is used to compile the code. It accepts a Java application as an input and output bytecode. JVM runs the bytecode generated by the compiler during the program's running phase. The Java virtual machine's job is to run the bytecode generated by the compiler. Although each operating system has its own JVM, the output they provide after the bytecode execution is consistent across all them. Java is known as platform independent language for this reason. JRE. The Java runtime environment is included with the JDK. The JRE installation on our computer allows us to run the Java program, but we cannot compile it. A browser, JVM applet support, and plugins are all included in the JRE. JRE is required for computer to run a Java program. In the given image, we can see that the JVM together with the Java classes libraries makes up the JRE. JDK. As the name implies, it is a complete Java development kit that includes everything from the compiler to the Java runtime environment, debuggers, and documentation. In order to design, compile, and run the Java application, we must first install JDK on our computer. In given image, we can clearly see the JVM and the library classes together make up the JRE. JRE, when combined with development tools, makes up JDK. At the end, let's understand the practical purpose of JVM, JRE, and JDK. Now, the JVM just provides the environment for code execution. When the JVM tries to run the code, it requires some sort of libraries that are present in JRE. So JRE gives you runtime environment to run the code. Without a JRE, you cannot run a Java code. Now at the end, develop the Java application, you need to have Java development kit. So JDK used to run the code plus it is used to develop the code. So to write, compile and test any program, we need some development tools. So these development tools consist of compiler, debugger. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit like button. And also do leave comment below this video. Thanks for watching.